What's up everybody, this is Rob from Wonders of London, taking a video in Greenwich today. And I wanted to give you a few facts. Actually, our point of focus is not so much this red telephone box, even though it is a piece of London history and iconic, as is its next door neighbour just over here, which of course is one of our old-fashioned red post boxes. Now, I'm sure I could go on about them for hours and hours and hours, but instead folks, what I've really come to take a quick look at here is the Cutty Sark tea clipper ship. It looks incredible. It was one of the only ones to stay afloat as we near the 20th century, and it was the only one afloat by the mid 1920s. One of the fastest tea clipper ships around the world. I'd like to thank you for watching this short video with us here at Wonders of London, and if you've enjoyed our video, don't forget to give us a like and hit that subscribe.